YouTube, it's me Arjele. I'm going to show you how to make a DIY color changing cloud lamp. Let's get to it.
Alrighty, right, so lanterns. That's the skeletal part of our project. Then you're going to need some LED lights. These ones change color to the bass that they hear in the music. I use this brand specifically. Really, you can use any kind you want. Glue sticks. Yes. Glue gun. Perfect. And some fiberfill to add a little fluff. Go ahead and put those paper lanterns together, figure out how you want to arrange them into a cloud, and grab some tape. We're going to be using this to hold the LED lights in place when we're looping them through the cloud. So there's a male and a female connector. You're going to want to take the female connector, and that's what we're going to attach to the IR controller. Just plug it in and match up the arrows, make sure everything fits nicely. And this little guy right here is the microphone. He picks up the bass and changes the lights for us. Okay, so we're gonna get started with the looping. Make sure you take the sticky part and keep that in the middle so the lights are facing outwards. Alright, so this is what I did. I took the female connector and looped it through the furthest part of the cloud. And after looping that one loop through, I decided to secure it with some tape at the end, just so it wouldn't move around when you're looping it through the other parts. And after testing it out to make sure it doesn't move or anything, you just untangle the rest of the LED strips so you don't end up with a mess later on, and loop it through the rest of the lanterns. Make sure you got enough space between them. You can knot them up at the end, play around with it. This is just how I tied things off. Now for the most exciting part, testing out the lights. I actually tested it out earlier when it was outside of the box, but boom, there it is, a real beaut. Once you get all the excitement out of your system, see all the different colors, and are satisfied with the end product, you can go ahead and get to filling in the bald spots. So what I'm doing here is pre-making the fiberfill balls by rolling them into kind of loose sections, not too tight because you don't want to look like it's a bunch of cotton balls put onto your cloud because it's going to look a little fake. I mean, if that's the look you're going for, you could totally do it, but I prefer my cloud to be a little on the fluffier side. So here I'm working in 1 to 2 inch sections, so that the glue doesn't cool off when I put on the sections. And that's basically the last step to creating your sound cloud. Here's what they look like at the end, and this is what they look like when it's plugged in. So for my old setup, I just attached each lantern to a fishing line so it looked like it's floating, and tied that to a wooden dowel and hung it from some command hooks.
So that was about it. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and don't forget to watch any future videos that I post. Wishing you good mental health and a phenomenal lifetime.